How you doing, folks? This is for the people that's trying to decide which Redcat Volcano to go with. They make a blue one and a red one. So I'm going to show you the bodies and you can decide. So here's the front of the Redcat Volcanoes. I will state first off that my boys did put a couple custom stickers on it. The red one has some eyes and some shark mouths on the back, if you will, and the blue one has some venom stickers on it. But other than that, the bodies are stock, other than those few sticker choices that they chose to put on them. Alright, so there's the front. Here's the overhead. You can kind of get the back of the truck bed on it. And then on the red one, the shark's teeth are the custom stickers. Now I'm gonna go on the side of the bodies. Do a walk around, if you will, to the blue one. And then back to the red one. Now I'm going to do the same thing, and I reverse which side they're on. That way you can get the other side of the trucks. That's the red one. To the blue one. Now here's the back of the trucks in the top. I'll start from the top back. Okay, I'm going to go to the red one. The stickers here and there, and these two are custom. They came with my ESCX Torment, and these here, and this one is custom. They came with my Venom battery. And if I had to pick which color I would choose, if I were to own one of these personally, and my kids didn't own them, my winner is the blue. I think the blue one is extra sharp. I just kind of like, it kind of has like a carbon fiber look to it there. And I like how that's like a camouflage gray black scheme to it, if you will, there. Yeah, I just like the blue one better. Looks a little more custom to me. Just like the design of it better. But each his own, which is funny for me because red's my favorite color. Alright folks, well, I hope that helped you make a decision on which Redcat Volcano you're going to choose between the red and the blue. The part specs are identical. You're really just getting a different body. One being red, one being blue. Like I said, if I were to pick one for me personally, it'd be the blue one. Seems a little more of a custom design. A little snazzier, if you will. Alright, take care and have a good one. Have fun RCing.